Good morning, dear kids. Hope so you all are happy. Yeah, that's good. Today in English period, we are discuss a new topic. Okay. Uh, Today we will see comprehension. What is comprehension? Last year you have given the exam of YLE, right? How was the exam? How were the people? What were the type of questions they asked you? One question was there picture reading. Okay, they have shown you a picture and they ask you to form a story or read this picture. What you can say about this picture. Okay, so type of this comprehension, that means how much you understand. Okay, so today also I'm going to show you one picture. We will discuss what we can see there. We will form sentences. After that, regarding that sentence, we will read one paragraph. Below that, then we'll understand it well. Okay, again we'll understand, we'll observe it very carefully, and then we are going to answer the question. Okay, and the questions are so easy. Are you ready? Let's start. Here I'm going to share my screen. And here we start. Comprehension. Comprehension means what? How much you understand. This is a picture for you. What you can see in the picture. I'm giving you 1 minute. Then we'll discuss together. First, your imagination, what you can say about this picture. Look at everywhere. Look at the climate. What's the climate today? How many people are there? What they are doing? What do you think? What the place is this? Is it school? Is it hospital? Is it a temple? Or they all are at their home? You can observe the different types of flowers. You can observe the trees. Okay, then now we will discuss together what I think. I think this is the place, it's garden or park. We can say this is the park. In the park only we can see this type of environment, isn't it? So I think this is the park. Many children are playing in the park. I think this is the sunny day. This is the sunny day because we can see sun over here. Okay. Then 2 apple trees are there and so many apples are here on the tree. Then 2 boys are riding bicycle. They are enjoying riding bicycle. 1 boy is flying a kite. I think there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 children are there in the park. 2 girls, or these 2, I think both are the girls. They are playing a ball. 2 dogs are there. They are barking like boo 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 boo. Many colorful flowers we can see in the park. They are blooming. And the yellow butterfly is looking so beautiful. What else we can discuss about? We have discussed about the apple tree. We have discussed about that boy. We have discussed about the sun also. Sunny day, that means the sky is total plain. Okay, no clouds are there. And this boy, I think they are playing ball. And 2 dogs I can see. Colorful flowers, butterfly. Okay, that many things I can see here. Okay, observe the picture, read the picture carefully. Okay, now we are going to read the sentences related to that, and these are here. It is sunny day today. Yeah, we are right. It is sunny day today. The sun is shining bright. Oh, so it's really the sun is shining brightly. The sun is shining bright. Colorful flowers are blooming everywhere. Colorful flowers are blooming everywhere. Many children are playing in the park. A boy is flying kite. A boy is flying kite. Two boys are riding a bicycle. Two boys are riding bicycle. One, two. That the first one, this boy is wearing a blue t-shirt and this boy is wearing a red t-shirt. Can you see? These two boys are riding a bicycle. There are two dogs in the park. Two. Yeah, we can see there are two dogs in the park. There are many apples on the tree. Yeah, we can see there are many apples on the tree. So many apples are there. Okay, understood what is there in the picture? If I ask you any question, are you ready for the answer? Yeah, because this is very easy. Okay, we will read it again. It is a sunny day. Is it rainy day or sunny day? Sunny day. It is a sunny day today. The sun is shining bright. The sun is shining bright. Or there are so many clouds. No, clouds are not there. The sun is shining bright. Colorful flowers are blooming everywhere. If I ask you, seeing color flower, are there or colorful flowers are there? So answer which should be colorful flowers are blooming everywhere. Many children are playing in the park. Yeah, more than one, that means many. So many children are playing in the park. A boy is flying a kite. Yes, a boy is flying a kite. Two boys are riding bicycle. Two boys are riding bicycle or three boys are riding bicycle? Two boys are riding bicycle. There are two dogs in the park. There are two dogs in the park or one dog in the park? One dog in the park. No, there are two dogs in the park. There are many apples on the trees. There are no apple on a tree. No, it's wrong. There are many apples on the tree. Got it? Clear? Shall we start the questions? Let's see. Question number 1, you have to write the true or false. It is rainy day today. Is it rainy day today? No, it's not rainy day today. It's a sunny day today. Then what will be the answer? Cut, cross, false. So we'll write false. It is rainy day today. No, it's a false statement, wrong statement. So we will put this sign false. Can you see here? Okay, it is rainy day today. False. Next question. The sun is shining bright today. Is the sun is there in the picture? Yeah, we can see. Is the sun is shining brightly? Yeah, sun is shining brightly. That means the sun is shining bright today. It's the correct answer, correct sentence. So we are going to put here correct sign. The sun is shining bright today. Correct. Okay. Next one. No flowers are there in the park. What do you think? No flowers are there in the park? The park will not look good. Flower must be there in the park. But what you can see in the picture, are there any flowers? Yeah, there are many flowers, many different colors of flowers are there, colorful flowers are there, and that colorful flowers blooming everywhere. But what's the sentence? Sentence is no flowers are there in the park. Is it correct? Is it wrong? Or is it true or false? Yeah, it's false. Because many flowers are there we can see. So we will put the mark false. Wrong. We will cross it. No flowers are there in the park. It's a wrong statement. It's a false statement. Okay? Good. Now we will see many children are playing in the park. What do you say? What do you think? Many children are playing in the park? Yeah, we can see many children are playing in the park. That means this is the correct sentence. Can you see the picture? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Many people are there and these 3 are playing with the ball. Okay, so many children are playing in the park is the correct sentence. So we will put the correct mark. Is it okay? Okay, now let's see the another question. 2 boys are flying kites. How many boys are flying kites in the park? I can see one only. Can you see 2 or 3 or 4? Maybe कोई पेड़ के पीछे होगा. You have to check that also. You have to observe it very carefully. Maybe someone is flying a kite behind that tree. No? What's your answer? Only one child is only one boy is there who is flying a kite. Yeah, that means 2 boys are flying kites is the wrong statement. So we are going to put the cross mark. 2 boys are flying kites. It's wrong. It's false. Okay. The next question. 2 boys are riding bicycle. What's your answer? 2 boys are riding bicycle. How many boys are riding bicycle here in the picture? Yeah, we can see 2 boys are riding a bicycle. 1 and 2. 2 boys are riding a bicycle. It's the correct answer. So we are going to mark tick. 2 boys are riding a bicycle is the correct sentence. It's a true sentence. Okay, the next one. There are 4 dogs in the park. How many dogs are there in the park? I can see 1 and 2. What you can see? How many dogs are there in the park? The question is there are 4. The statement in the true and false is there are 4 dogs in the park. What do you think? Is it true or is it false? It is false statement. Why? Because there are only 2 dogs and in the sentence they are saying 4 dogs. That means it's a false statement. So we are going to put false. We are going to put cross sign. Okay, there are 4 dogs in the park. No, it's wrong statement. There are only 2 dogs in the park. Okay, hope so you understood it. There are 2 apple trees in the park. Just see how many apple trees are there in the park. Is it correct sentence? Yeah, it's the correct sentence. There are only 2 apple trees we can see in the park. That means that there are 2 apple trees in the park is the correct sentence. So we are going to put correct mark. Okay. The next. It's thank you. Hope so. You understood it, how to read the picture. Okay. Take out any picture. Okay. If you are reading any book, if the magazine is there, if anything is there, check it out. Try to read the picture. Try to observe the picture, what you can see in the picture, and try to explain it. Okay. Make one story as per your imagination. Okay. Make one story and explain it. Okay. Hope so. You enjoyed it. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.